There we go. I'm your host, Stu Donald. Let's head to the Delta. I have been dying to do a little frog fishing on this nice little lily pad swamp. Let's see what we can do here. Something popped at it. Something little, I'm guessing. Missed him. I'll switch to something for panfish and see what we do. Oh! Lost him. Looked like a redbreast. That may have been what was hitting at the frog. Why I couldn't get it in its mouth. Snatched it right out of his mouth. I'm on the campus of the University of South Alabama, and one of the reasons they have this pond is so their marine biology class and biology majors can do research, which is what they're doing there. I do not know if they're looking for insects. I was out here one day and the insects were what they were monitoring, or if they're looking for baby fish, or if maybe they're looking for frogs. Frogs are a really good indicator of the health of a body of water, so a lot of study goes in. If there's any kind of contamination, anything that could taint the water, make it unhealthy for the life that lives in it, it's usually going to show up first in the frogs in the form of deformities and all kinds of defects. There. I had a battery issue at the little swamp. Had 63% battery, but it was saying that it was running out of juice. So I went to pull it. The battery was extremely hot and swollen enough that it was hard to get it out. So that is a battery I no longer need to use. Hey, I actually got that back. I'm shocked, not gonna lie. Yeah, this braid is awesome stuff. I'm using a 10-pound braid with an 8-pound leader because I knew I would be throwing into stuff like this. Man, I'm not gonna be able to cast up under here without getting on a limb, am I? There we go. Of course, I probably banged it up so much here. Any fish that were here are probably gone. It's a beautiful little spot here, though. I know another spot we can try. I know another spot we can try. Alright. See if we can get anything working out here. Alright, let's try another spot. Out here on the pier, I've got some more open water. I'm going to break out the Wopper Plopper 60. See if we can't stir up some trouble with that. If you are a turtle enthusiast, I highly recommend this little pond for you. And I don't know if that's happenstance or by design, but they seem to have one of every kind of turtle out here. If not a dozen of every kind of turtle. And he is doing research as well. I heard them taking depth soundings earlier. Apparently this pond is a whopping 3 feet 3 inches deep. Well, apparently this does get a little deeper here. I heard them do a depth earlier. They said 20 meters. So that's like 60, 70 feet American, I think. We'll give this little Wopper Plopper a couple more casts, and then I got another little spot that I may go to and give it a try. I think it'll be perfect for there. But let's see if I can't pull something out here first, because that would be cool. Alright, let's go try that other spot. Fall bassin in a small pond, or small bass. So today I'm fishing a small pond for some small bass. So I got a small lure. I have been looking for a small version of a Wopper Plopper, and today I found one. The Wopper Plopper 60. Let's see what it does. This water is awfully clear. They may be able to see me quite easily right now. Well, there's a bunch of like little 3 and 4 inch bass in there. There we go. Ha ha ha! How about that? What's up, little buddy? Can't resist the Wopper Plopper. Wopper Plopper 60. Doing its job. Excellent.
I don't have thumbs or nothing, and it's hard for me to do. I can't. I tried to use my tail, but it didn't work, and I got kind of sidetracked. And you don't want to know the details. Will you just click for me, would you?